As a tax resolution specialist and a tax planner, I have been able to see over the years that many of the clients that I deal with in the tax resolution part of the business where they owe a lot of money to the IRS is primarily due to the fact that they failed to do proper tax planning. So I would argue that tax resolution and tax planning goes hand in hand. I have clients that make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year, yet they can't pay the IRS. Many times they can't even pay their accountant. And it's not that they don't necessarily want to, it's just the fact that they don't know how to manage money, and the lack of money management skills create all of the problems and all of the challenges that we're seeing today when it comes to tax resolution. Uh, Being able to understand the tax resolution process and also the tax planning process is very critical if you want to succeed, because at the end of the day, it's not just about making money, it's about keeping it. And how much of it can you actually keep through tax planning techniques, will determine whether you're going to be successful or you're going to be a failure in your financial life at some point in time in the future. So I encourage all of you that if you're having cash flow issues, you better contact someone that specializes in tax planning. And because at the end of the day, if you're able to do it the right way and you're able to do cash flow analysis, you may end up quite ahead of the curve when it comes to maximizing your potential to succeed in your financial life and that of your business and also that of your family. Because by the time you get to me with tax resolution, basically what I'm doing is putting out the fires. I have to be able to download all your transcripts and just figure out, all the tax debt that you owe the IRS. And it could be hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars in some of the cases that I have handled in the past. And then from there is, okay, what percentage of that debt is actual debt versus penalties and interest on the penalties and interest on the debt and so forth. So it's very critical for you to do tax planning, and you're still early in the year because now you still have the second half of the year to prepare for your 2026 taxes, your 2026 tax preparation, your estimated taxes, your ability to do proper tax resolution and diminish or reduce the tax liability as much as possible. But also, tax planning is going to help you put more money in your pocket as opposed to the IRS's and give you the opportunity to succeed in life as you well deserve. So, for any additional questions, please feel free to reach out. You can call me at 888-477-0108. Again, 888-477-0108. You can also send me an email, Bert, B-E-R-T, at gablestaxgroup.com, and I'll be more than happy to schedule a private consultation with you at no charge whatsoever. So keep us posted, let us know where we can help you, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you and have a great day.